look, yeah. I turned into a kebab, man. We're almost here though. I think less than 500 meters, something like that. We're gonna eat. The good thing is we can park our bike somewhere here. So yeah, it's nice. Oh, I'm smelling the green stuff. The greens! I'm smelling the greens. Cute Chinese girl. Bunun bir de trahreti var. Today's place is called Mangal. It's in Groningen. It's amazing, man. If you haven't been here, check it out. Right, I'm going back home. Muzaffer abi. Bir şey diyor mu?
Dediğim hava güzel bugün.
Çok güzel değil mi?
Ya süper.
Mahmut. Zeg jij nog wat?
Nee man.
Nee, helemaal niks?
Nee, we gaan vliegen.
Ik heb ook een Adana gehad. Mensen, als je hier komt, ik raad je een Adana aan. It's a good one. Het is echt goed. Adana durum of Adana gewoon schotel. Maakt niet uit. Het is echt lekker. We just got here and we see the lady bike. In this comment, I got recommended to place the cart under the strap of the seat. So as you can see that I did that. Thank you for the comment, by the way. That was nice. Scrambler 1200. Nice one. No, 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 no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait! Muzaffer abi gaat de verkeerde kant op. Alright, let's go. Nereye Muzaffer abi? Lekker weer! Lekker weer! I have my earplugs in, so I'm not really hearing that exhaust, but once in a while my earplugs like gets loose in my ear and then I hear that rumble. It's really nice. Stofzuiger. Ik heb rood licht, man. Nee. I'm not sure how the microphone is sounding, guys, because I cleaned my helmet from the inside. This whole ride I'm smelling flowers in my helmet. It's amazing. I recommend you guys do the same thing. Get rid of all the material inside, hand wash it, let it dry, and your helmet will smell really amazing. God damn, it's a rocket, man. Oh, I'm gonna do that again. That's amazing, dude. In a split second you're like 70 kilometers accelerated. I can't imagine what the new R1s feel like. Oh damn, dude. Ruben's R1 with all the modes, and that's even more insane. I can't imagine how that feels. Like, the Fireblade is considered a smooth bike. It can go fast, but it's smooth, blah blah, right? The R1 is a monster. Monster! It's an animal, man. I can't imagine how that must feel. About like the 2015, 16 and upwards. Those bikes have more than 200 horsepower. That's mind-boggling, man. Nou, Musaffir abi, je hoort me niet, maar je gaat het waarschijnlijk wel terugzien. Dankjewel dat je met mij hebt gereden vandaag. Het was echt tof. Ik spreek je dan, ja? Dat is cool, man. Nice Mazda. I'm like, what's this shadow, man? it's a truck. I hope today's vlog will be something watchable. If not, I will learn from it. And guys, I'm seeing this as a long-term goal. I don't need to explode or get big quick. Obviously, every YouTuber's dream is to get big and famous, but I like to build it up slow, man. I'm just enjoying myself, man. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I think there are kids in the back. Wait, let me. I can't see them, but I know they're there. I saw these little heads at the back looking back, right? Like these blonde, small headies. Hey, we have to invest in the future, guys. Without doing these things, there won't be a biker into the next generation. We have to welcome them, get them addicted little by little. Subscribe, like, share. See you in the next one. Peace. Bye.